Question number 4. This question is from representation of data. The time taken in minutes to complete a cycle race by 19 cyclists from each of the two clubs, the Cheetahs and Panthers, are represented in the following back-to-back stem and leaf diagram. There are two clubs of cyclists, Cheetahs and Panthers. 19 cyclists from in each club. Times taken in minutes to complete a cycle race by 19 cyclists from each of two clubs. Cheetahs and Panthers are represented in the following back-to-back stem and leaf diagram. This is stem and leaf diagram. Back-to-back stem and leaf diagram mean this stem is common for both the cyclists of both the clubs, Cheetahs and Panthers. This column represents the stem, which is common for both clubs. These are the leaves of Cheetahs. These are the leaves of Panthers. Now key is given for both clubs 7/9 for Cheetahs. 7/9 mean 97 minutes, and 9/1 mean 91 minutes. Therefore, Panthers. Key for both the cyclists are given 7/9 mean 97 minutes for Cheetahs and 9/1 mean 91 minutes for Panthers. Find the median and interquarter range of times of Cheetahs. So first of all, how we will find the median? This is the process to find the median. Total number of cyclists in each group are 19. This is the process to find the median. Median will be 1 over 2 into n plus 1th value. 1 over 2 into n plus 1th value means n is the number of observations that are 19 in this question. So 1 over 2 n plus 1th value mean n is 19. 1 over 2 19 plus 1. After simplifying we get 10th value. 10th value will be the median. Now we will see the 10th value in Cheetahs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This value will be the median. According to the key is for Cheetahs is 7, 9 represents 97. So this value is 9, 9 means 99 minutes. So the median will be 99 for Cheetahs, 99 minutes. Now we have to find the interquarter range. To find interquarter range, we will find lower quartile and upper quartile. How we will find the lower quartile? This median, which is represented In the diagram, this is the median. Median divides uh, the data into two equal halves. This is the first half. This is the first half of this division, and this is the second half. Median will be the 50% through the data. Median is this value, which is 99. Now we will find to find lower quartile. We will again find we will find the median of the first half. To find lower quartile, we again find the median of the first half of the data. In the first half, there are values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So lower quartile will be 1 over 2 into 9 plus 1's value, which is fifth value. Fifth value of the data will be the median of the first half of the data, which shows the lower quartile. Fifth value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the uh, lower quartile. According to the key, lower quartile 3 slash 8 mean 83. So lower quartile we have 83. In the same way, now we will take the median of the second half of the distribution, that is that have these values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So upper quartile will be 1 over 2 into 9 plus 1 mean fifth value. So fifth value lie here 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. This value will be the upper quartile. So according to the key, this value 6 against 10, this will be 106. 6, 10 mean according to the key 106. So upper quartile is 106. Now we have to find the interquartile range of the time of cheetahs. Into this formula will be used to find interquartile range. Upper quartile minus lower quartile. Upper quartile 106 minus lower quartile 83. We get this 23. This is a 23 is the interquartile range. Now, next part of the question is a median and interquartile range of panthers are 103 minutes and 14 minutes respectively. The median and interquartile range for cheetahs we have found, but median and interquartile range for panthers are given. That is 103 minutes is the median, and interquartile range for cheetahs for panthers 14 minutes. So part B of this question, make two comparisons between the times taken by cheetahs and the time taken by panthers. Now, for comparison, we will compare the central tendency of the data and the spreadness of the data. So median lies in the central tendency. We will compare the central tendency. So median shows the central tendency, and interquartile rate shows the spreadness of the data. Interquartile range is spreadness of data is also called uh, interquarter range, and this is spreadness of data. This is also called the variability of data. Median lies in the central tendency. So we will compare these two. Uh, Comparing the median, it is very clear that median for cheetahs is 99 minutes and median for panthers 10 at 3 minutes. Panthers are taking more time. 103 median for panther, median for cheetah is 99 minutes. This means that panthers are taking more time. So we can say that cyclists of cheetah club are faster than panthers because the panthers are taking more time as compared to cheetahs. So cyclists of this is a comparison. Cyclists of cheetah club are faster than panthers. Now we will compare the interquarter range of both clubs. Now we will take the spreadness, which will be shown by interquarter range of both clubs. 23 interquarter range for cheetah and 14 minutes uh, is the interquarter range for panther. So comparatively, uh, spreadness. So we can say that spreadness of cheetahs are more than the spreadness of panther. So times for cheetahs are more spread than the times for the panthers. These are very important uh, uh, two comparison two comparisons of both the clubs. Next part of this question is another another cyclist named Kenny from the Cheetahs also took part in the race. This is the 20th cyclist, that is the name of that is Kenny. 20 cyclists from the Cheetahs was 99 minutes. Mean time Mean time taken by 20 cyclists from Cheetahs was 99 minutes. So mean of 20 cyclists is given, that is 99 minutes. Find the time taken by Kenny to complete the race. Kenny is the 20th cyclist. So first of all, this is for Cheetah Club. So first of all, we have to find the time taken by Kenny. So we find the sum of all total. We find the total time taken by the cyclist of Cheetah Club. So we will add these values to find the total time taken by the cyclist of Cheetahs. So we will add these according to the key. We will add these values. For example, 8, 7 mean 8, 7 means 78. Next is 7, 9 mean 79. Next 8, according to the key that is given, 80, 80, 82, 82, 83, 83. We will find the sum of all the values. 78, 79 plus 80, 82 plus 83 plus 87 plus 88 plus 97 and so on. We will find the total sum of time for cheetahs. So these are 19 values. Sum of this is 1862 minutes. But now the mean of 20 cheetahs is given, that in the question. Mean is mean time taken from 20 cyclists from the cheetahs was 99 minutes. Now we will use a mean formula to find the mean is x bar shows the mean is equal to summation x over n. Mean is given in the question, that is 99 minutes. Putting here the value, mean is 99. Total number of cyclists 20. Now we will find in this way uh, summation x. Summation x shows the sum of time of 20 cyclists, that we get 1980. So this is the sum of 20 cyclists, sum of time of 20 cyclists, or 1862 minutes is the sum of time of 19 cyclists. So when we will subtract, we get the time by canning. So 1980 minus 1862, we get 118 minutes. This is the answer.